want to give a special thanks to Mattel for sending these dolls to us as a gift for free. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabsome besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector, and today we are checking out some Disney collector dolls. It says so right here. It looks like we're getting a few celebrating Disney 100 and the Radiance collection. Mattel sent this giant box with dolls. From Mattel Creations, this is the Radiance collection Belle. And we have Aurora and Jasmine. Oh, wow. And there's a poster. On the Disney 100 side, we have Cinderella and Tiana with another poster. We need a new backdrop. This is my Regency inspired room that we made a while back. I've kind of been ripping things off the walls. So today we're gonna spend a little time cleaning it up by ripping more stuff off the walls. I made these using hot glue and silicone molds. I'm just taking the larger ones off the walls. Let's remove this one too. I really just want to clear this space. Oops. And now we are left with a large room with an archway and white walls. This room is made out of foam board, so by removing all of the hot glue decorations, I have damaged the walls a little. So we're just gonna play into that and repaint the walls with a little texture. But first, I cut scraps of foam board into 1/2-inch strips, then cut and glue them together to make rectangles to glue onto the walls. I use a silicone mold and hot glue to make a few more decorations to glue onto the frames. I totally thought I was going to simplify this room, and yet I just keep adding more. Yeah, I should probably stop now. Let's go ahead and paint it. I mixed a light blue and I just tap it onto the wall to try to fill in gaps and cover up some of those blemishes. All right, this is gonna take a minute to dry. Then lightly brush it with a little gold paint to bring out those details to make a backdrop fit for a princess. Good thing we have Princess Jasmine right here. From the Radiance collection, here is a new Disney collector doll. She comes with a certificate of authenticity, a doll stand that fits under the doll's dress, so she can stand tall. Well, at around 11 inches, not including the stand. This Jasmine is dressed in lavender, has a lavender ribbon with a blue plastic gem with painted gold trim. She wears matching earrings, a necklace, and has another gem at the waist. The top of the dress is off the shoulders and there's a little shimmer to the top. Then it's purple with gold flakes, leading to a double satin skirt with a gold print and sewn on plastic gems. Her hair is long and pulled back and has purple sewn ribbons. Ooh, I love that pleating in the back. And the dress velcros. I absolutely love this face sculpt. She has brown eyes, lavender eyeshadow. She has a glossy lip and they look like they are lined. Okay, what about articulation? This doll can move at the head, the shoulder, the elbow, the wrist, and the hip. Her feet are on an incline and she wears blue and gold heels. And check that out. The dress underneath is finished all the way around. I think she is very pretty, but of course, I would like to see more articulation. I can't help it. I love dolls that are super posable. Here's Aurora in a navy blue box with a doll stand and a certificate of authenticity. Just like Jasmine, her look is an off-the-shoulder top with a double skirt. Only her outfit is 2 separate pieces. She has blonde hair with large curls, bangs, and she has a gold-colored tiara. Those curls have product helping to keep their shape. She has lavender eyes with some thick eyeliner, a pink lip color. She wears a gold-colored necklace with pink gems, has pink and blue gems on the front of her dress. It looks like little touches of gold as well. The fabric is pink and gold. She has pink satin sleeves and a satin top skirt that drapes over a mermaid cut skirt. It is finished all the way around, which I like. And her articulation seems to be the same as Jasmine's. Oh, and Aurora is taller than Jasmine. Cool details. On Mattel Creations' website, it says that these two will be coming out later this year. But I saw that right now, Belle is available for pre-order. And I almost forgot to show Aurora's gold shoes. Here is Disney Collector Radiance Collection Belle. This Creations exclusive has a pre-order price of $75. She has brown hair with a little bit of a curl to it. The front is pulled up, there's a small bun, and a gold-colored ribbon. She wears rose earrings. They are a gold color and can be removed. She has olive green eyes, a rich pink lip color, wears a golden yellow dress that is off the shoulder with little rosettes. There's a pattern on the fabric at the top decorated with a few plastic gems, leading down to a full skirt. It has 2 layers. The top layer has a pleat and it's kind of sheer, and underneath it's satin. The dress is finished all the way around, and she wears a pair of sheer gloves. Let's not forget the shoes. They are a gold color with rose details. This whole look is classic Belle. I like how full the skirt is, and I totally plan on putting a can underneath when I can. Overall, I think their faces are very pretty, and I'm interested in seeing what's next. Like this Disney Collector Tiana Disney 100 doll. Celebrating Disney 100 Years of Wonder, this Collector Tiana doll is getting the platinum treatment. Priced at $45, we get Tiana with her hair pulled up, styled into curls. She wears a tiara with a little green shimmer to it, clear earrings with a little bit of glitter. Looks like she has a light green eyeshadow, a brown lip color, wears a gown inspired by her look from the animated film, with a yellowy satin top, a shimmery green leaf detail in the front, a silver-colored lily pad ornament around the waist, a sheer skirt with glitter, and a cut leaf pattern underneath. And it looks like she has a pearly iridescent shoe with glitter. This doll comes with a doll stand and has the basic 5 points of articulation, with movement at the head, shoulder, and hip. I like the fullness of the skirt, but I would have loved to have seen it with a sewn hem at the bottom. Cinderella has a celebration look as well, dressed in another inspired classic look. She wears her hair pulled up with a headband, wears round earrings, silver eyeshadow, a neutral lip. Her dress is satin on the top with sheer puff sleeves, a silver detail at the waist, a large skirt with what looks like a shimmery blue bow, followed by a sheer overlay with glitter, and a satin hemmed underskirt. And it looks like she has the same shoes and doll stand as Tiana. Both of their dresses Velcro in the back, and their face screenings look pretty good. And once again, I would have loved to have seen more articulation, but that's just me. It was a lot of fun to take a look at these dolls and check out a few dolls to come. Thank you for joining us while we gave this space a little makeover and checked out a few Disney collector dolls from Mattel Creations. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, the Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time.